Good afternoon, everybody. This is Karen Martz, and I'm at a rest stop somewhere in South Carolina on my way to Columbia to film. Oh, look at all the birds. Okay, I think we're going to come up with either tree swallows or barn swallows. Look at this interesting tree. I wonder if this is could be a mulberry tree, just the way the branches are shaped. So, oh, look, here's a bird nest. Here's a nest. There's a bird. Oh my gosh, a little baby. Look at this, guys. The mom is overheated and she's got little babies, and it's probably a mockingbird. Unbelievable. Signing off live. It's Karen Martz. Have a great day.